Joy's question is, were all the water elements installed on Zaytuna Farm as discussed in 7.27 Zaytuna Total Water Design built all at once? Could you walk us through the timeline and thought process which applied? Well, Joy, they weren't all installed all at once, definitely not. They've been installed over time. So it's been a sequence of events where we've run education programs and earthwork courses on a lot of the dams that are here, and we're oversupplied with water. We're definitely fireproof, we're definitely drought proof, and we definitely have enough to share with the new community that we've set up. We started off with a house site dam because I needed to build a house and I wanted it next to a beautiful dam. So the house site position and the dam site position were picked together. We built the dam, so we created the house site. So that was our first one. Then we went straight to the top of the hill. We found the best dam that has a capacity. There's a very small dam higher, but it didn't have capacity. We wanted high water capacity for gravity irrigation. We picked a spot that was picking up a lot of catchment, had a lot of good looking features, found great clay, built a beautiful dam. Came straight off that on contour to the next valley and built another dam, smaller one but nice. Went on round the ridge and found another dam site and ran in there. We were stuck then, we had to stay on that same level. We wanted a connected swale. We went on from the third dam through some steep country and we secured it and went on for another 200 meters, hit the boundary road. So we trebled our catchment for those three dams, so they filled very quickly and gave us that gravity irrigation. We came lower in the property then and found the lowest point and the highest boundary, which has the largest input gully as well, the largest input pipe coming under a road from a large catchment next door, but we were in the mid slopes by then. But that is the longest, highest contour line on the farm in potential, and this is it behind me. So we picked up that swale contour line and created a swale. And we've put a few dams along that swale over a period of time, but that swale in the mid slopes, the lowest point and the highest boundary, actually positioned our road, our main access road into the property, and we positioned the road just above that swale. Its hard surface feeds the swale with pits, pipes and runoff. So light rain fills this swale behind me, flooded right now. Little dam just there, tiny dam just there, Owen's Pond. It goes on to a beautiful dam at the end and then hits woodland, where we didn't go into the forest and the woodland and take down trees to put in the swale. We don't do that with reasonably mature, high quality forests. We don't take down forests to put in swales. But this beautiful swale comes all the way round. It comes through another dam on the way here. So then we extended from the dam at my house site out. It already had a small length of swale to a spillway at the end of the swale. We surveyed that all the way around. It goes right around the campsite and hits two more dams and ends up on the opposite boundary. So then feature by feature we started to install. Now in some cases we put in the dam, and from the dam level we could achieve, because we've got a really good dam site position, good building position for a dam, we'd extend the spillway out as a swale and then take that on as far as we can, sometimes connect into another good dam site. But in other situations, there's a good swale position because there's a contour, we're picking up some flow or we're picking up some runoff. So we'd start with a swale, and then if that contour line that we're building the swale on hits good dam sites, we've built the swales. So sometimes we started off with height, good dam site to swale to dam connection. Sometimes it's good contour to good dam positions, and sometimes it's runoff to swale to dam positions. And then we just continued to swale our way down the landscape. Most of the dams get bigger as they go downhill.